Welcome back to the Car Explorer. Today, we're diving into the detailed review of the all-new Falcon F6 Aeroplane 2025, a car that's already making waves with its futuristic design, cutting-edge technology, and impressive performance. If you're in the market for something that blends sleek aesthetics with serious engineering, the F6 Aeroplane might just be your next dream ride. Starting with the exterior, the Falcon F6 Aeroplane 2025 is a showstopper. Its aerodynamic silhouette is inspired by aviation design principles, which explains the aeroplane in its name. The car features a low-slung stance with a wide front grille and sharp LED matrix headlights that sweep back into the fenders, giving it a menacing, high-tech presence on the road. The sculpted hood and flush door handles enhance its smooth lines, while the rear end boasts a full-width taillight bar and a subtle active spoiler that deploys at speed. Alloy wheels with turbine-inspired spokes add to its dynamic appeal, and the entire body is sculpted to reduce drag while maximizing visual impact. Inside, the Falcon F6 Aeroplane continues to impress with a cabin that feels like it's straight out of a sci-fi film. The dashboard is dominated by a massive, curved OLED display that integrates the instrument cluster and infotainment system seamlessly. Materials are high quality throughout, with Alcantara, brushed aluminum, and soft touch leather surfaces creating a premium feel. Ambient lighting strips subtly outline the cabin contours, providing a customizable and calming atmosphere. The seats are both sporty and comfortable, offering excellent bolstering and full electric adjustability with memory settings. Rear passengers are not left out, enjoying generous legroom and their own climate control zone. Every detail feels meticulously crafted, from the knurled metal dials to the minimalist center console with wireless charging and haptic feedback controls. Performance-wise, the 2025 Falcon F6 Aeroplane is no slouch. Under the hood, it packs a twin-turbocharged 3.5-liter V6 engine, pushing out 480 horsepower and 520 Nm of torque. Paired with a smooth 8-speed dual-clutch transmission, this car rockets from 0 to 100 km/h in just 3.9 seconds. There's also an optional hybrid performance pack that boosts output to over 530 horsepower, improving acceleration and fuel efficiency. The chassis is finely tuned, with adaptive suspension that offers both comfort and corner carving capability. Whether you're cruising on the highway or tackling twisty back roads, the F6 Aeroplane feels balanced, responsive, and remarkably agile for a vehicle of its size. When it comes to pricing, the Falcon F6 Aeroplane 2025 starts at approximately $62,000 for the base model. Higher trims, with added features like the Performance Hybrid System, premium audio, and full autonomous driving package, can push the price up to around $78,000. It's a competitive pricing structure considering what you're getting: a luxurious, high-performance car loaded with tech and wrapped in one of the most unique designs in its class. That's it for today's review of the Falcon F6 Aeroplane 2025. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more car reviews here on the Car Explorer. Want me to turn this into a voiceover-ready script or subtitle file too?